We all have 24 hours, yet some people achieve so much while others feel stuck. The difference isn't the clock, it's how you use your time. Today, let's talk about how students and professionals can master time management and make it enjoyable. Let's start with priorities. I don't just wake up. Let the day control you. Write down the 3 most important things you must do, whether it's finishing your assignment, preparing a presentation, or studying for an exam. Let priorities guide you, not distractions. And this is how you do it. Break down the big task into smaller steps. Have you ever looked at an assignment and thought, this is impossible? Break it down. Successful people don't climb mountains in one jump. They take one step at a time. Small progress daily equals big achievements. This is how you beat the procrastination. Procrastination is like a thief in the night. Students delay assignments, professionals delay projects, they don't meet up the targets, But here's the secret. Start small. Tell yourself, I'll just do it for 10 minutes, Once you start, you'll find energy to continue. Use the time blocks to divide your daily work into blocks. Study time, your work time, break time, fun time. When you give each activity a space, you stop wasting hours scrolling endlessly. Time blocks keep your mind sharp, and your day balance is well balanced. Reset and recharge. How do you do that? Time management is just about working. It's not just about working, it's also about resting smartly, take enough sleep, take breaks while studying. Actually, when you do that, you make your day productive and your work productive, so that your mind is not tired when you're working. Rested minds maximize everything, And in life, if you want to go far, avoid anything that will make you to procrastinate. Procrastination is whereby you get to postpone. You say, I'll do it tomorrow, I'll do it the next day, like that. But when you focus yourself, you ensure that you are at the right place, at the right time, with the right people, doing the thing that you're supposed to do. Ensure you maximize your time well. Because everybody is given 86,000 seconds a day. But how do you use yours? Millionaires as well as a poor person. The way you use your time matters a lot. As a student, you're given enough time to study. But you find out that at the end of the day, somebody gets a first class honors, somebody gets a supplementary who drops out. What happened along the way? When you join the campus, as a professional, you tend to deliver your work late, you tend to handle your client late, which is not really prudent. So as a person, ensure time is everything. Time is always money. Here's the truth. Time doesn't wait. Youth, students, professionals. If you master your time today, your future will thank you later. Time is life, and how you use your time, how you define your time, how you define yourself, brings a difference. Remember to subscribe, and bye-bye. Thank you.